Hey guys, it is like 11 o'clock almost. We just got home from the grocery store about an hour or so ago. Not stand the kitchen looking like this, and I was just so ready to start organizing it with the things that I got from Dollar Tree earlier today. So I just figured I would show you guys how I'm going to organize the kitchen. Anyways, this is the refrigerator. Kind of just winged it and just decided things on my own. This whole door is basically dairy products. Then up here, we've got, these are just the condiments, and they were in the door, but they just started to look really messy and out of place, so I just thought they looked better in here. And this kind of, I like this because it acts as a drawer. So yeah, it just acts as a drawer, so you can kind of just pull it out and push it back in and get what you need. Then I have this smaller one over here, and sorry, my charger just fell. I have this smaller one over here, and it has it just has deli meat and cheese, hot dogs and bacon. That's in there. And then we've got a little thing of eggs in here and some strawberries. And then I've gotten down here, we've got some bananas, some grapes, and cherries, which I lost the top to this literally today. So once I find it, I will be putting it on there. Then we've just got our foods that are going to go bad soon and eventually, kind of like produce and things that need to be eaten. These are mushrooms in here, and banana pudding, pico de gallo, pastas, pimento cheese, chicken salad, just things like that that are just gonna, that have an expiration date on them, basically. And then in here I just have kind of like, this acts as a Lazy Susan because the Dollar Tree did not have one. Normally I've seen them around, but they just did not have any. So I will most definitely be on the lookout for that. And I know that you can make Lazy Susans like from the Dollar Tree. You can get like 2 sets of these, and then on the bottom put marbles, and then it'll kind of roll, but that's kind of doing a lot for me. In here I just have my water pitcher, or tea pitcher, but there's water in it right now. I've got my wines and the bigger juices of Colson's. And then down here I've just got some jars of things that need to be preserved, as well as just some extras. These didn't really have a home, these potatoes, so I just kind of put them in here because there was extra space. Then in here we've got all of Colston's snacks and juices. At the bottom there are Go-Gurts and Capri Suns and his Good to Grow drink, pudding, some apple sauces, and that's that. And then down here we've got beer and Zevias, and then we've got Diet Cokes, and we also have Sprite Zeros, but they're in the car. The refrigerator, I did not have enough containers to get to, like I said, the drawers. These cabinets I will be organizing eventually, or the freezer. So the freezer is kind of a mess because I haven't gotten to it, and my husband just threw all the groceries in here tonight. So I will be organizing this probably tomorrow when I get more bins. All that's up there. Then you come into this cabinet. I've just got canned goods, and here I've got cheese Ritz bits and pretzels, extra Cocoa Puffs, and extra noodles. And then I got peanut butter Ritz bits. And then down here on my spice rack, we have got salts.
I'm going to bed.
Good night.
My phone's right there.
Okay. Got the big thing of salt. Some mayonnaises that we bought tonight. We got some new spices that we bought. I just kind of put those on the back rack because they're not really going to be used like daily, so those are just there. And then here's an extra sweet chili sauce that hasn't been opened yet that we got tonight. My husband's oysters. Yeah, that's all that's on the second row. I just kind of put them over here so that I could see them and they weren't so crowded. And then on this front row is basically what we use on the daily, which is coconut cooking spray. This is from Dollar Tree as well. I have just extra cereal that I do not have a container for to put in, so I'm just kind of keeping that right there. And this bin, I have noodles and pastas, basically starches, I guess you could say. I've just got basically everyone's snacks. Colson snacks, our snacks. So yeah, and we need like snacks for Michael's lunches anyways. And then up here I've just got some Gerber yogurt melts and puffs. Here I've just got a whole bunch of popcorn. And that is that drawer, or that cabinet. That is that cabinet. Just got some extras, extra flour, coffee, sugar. These already have homes down here, so they're basically just the extras because I'm not going to put them in containers if there's already containers for them. And then I have some bagels, and we have a ton of bread, which I just kind of put in this salad slash mixing bowl. I use it for basically salad and mixing and storage. My dickhead husband to make sandwiches. Yeah, but that's basically, I guess we can say, pantry organization, even though they're not really pantries, but in total, pantry and refrigerator, kitchen organization, whatever you want to call it. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and as always, y'all stay blessed. Bye guys.